What's up, broskies? Another day, another 350Z. I'm gonna go to my brother's house and we're gonna be working on a 350Z bird. This one's pretty clean. I like it a lot. It's got the Brembos. Pretty clean bird. And that car does not start. There's an issue. The guy that sold the car to us, he said he blew the motor and then he bought one from an importer. He installed the motor and he has crank. It cranks but it doesn't start. So we're thinking he left something wrong with the flywheel, because there's power, there's spark, there's fuel, there's all that good stuff. ECU is connected. It looks like the key fob and BCM computer is making signals, so it's communicating. The only thing we're thinking of is that either the motor does not work, but showed us videos of the motor getting compression tested, and so the only thing that we can think of is that he left the flywheel wrong. And I've never experienced it, but I've heard if you put the flywheel wrong, they have like this little guide on the flywheel, and if you don't put it right, it's gonna throw off the timing. It'll crank and everything, but it'll throw off the timing and it will not start. So we're trying to avoid to bring down the transmission, but we might have to just bring it down. Update on the 370Z, it's still working. It has not gone into limp mode anymore. I've driven it once, twice, and then again and again and again, and no issue so far. I don't know, maybe it's fixed. Hey, what's up, brother? 370Z, black like mine on the wild. This California weather sucks. He's got a base model though. SoCal Z. Alright boys, so this is the bird we're gonna be working on today. This thing is pretty clean. Alright broskies, wish us luck. We got the car on jack stands. I'm gonna start pulling out the transmission and check that flywheel. Hopefully that's our problem. But yeah, engine looks pretty good. Let's get it, boys.
One eternity later.
Alright, just pulled out the transmission. XTD. Pull out the clutch and see what we see wrong. All right boys, I think we have found the problem. You see this little hole right here? This little hole is like a guide for the motor, and it doesn't look like it's on the little pin, so I'm gonna pull it out and then we're gonna find out. But from what I can see from here, it's not on the guide. All right, tranny's back up. Everything's wired up. We're gonna see if it's going to start. See my fingers, you know. Crank that bitch.
It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Estás perro. Sick. All right, broskies, I just got home and I'm gonna show you guys how to restore some headlights. I started sanding one already, but this is how the other one looked. Stay tuned. Let me sand it down real quick with a 400 and then we'll go higher. All right, broskies, check out how the headlights came out. This one still looks a little yellowish tint, but this one came out better. Maybe they're just dirty from the inside, but not bad. Not bad, not bad. All right, broskies, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, smash that like button. Oh, wait, before I go, I also, my homie painted this one pink for his girl, but the paint kind of started cracking and he brought it like that. So I just clear coated it and threw some flake on it. But check it out. It's already dry. Alright, broskies, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.